I got this go-kart for 200 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. From what I can tell, it's a Pantera Tie Rail 200, and that's pretty much all the info I could find online. The guy I got it from said his kids rode it a lot. They broke it a lot, and it's been sitting in his barn for a few years. Looking at the condition it's in, you can kind of see he was telling the truth. This thing's pretty rough, but it has a Predator 212 in it and some decent bones, so I'm confident I can get it running. The axle is broken, so first things first, we need to strip it down and do some measuring so we can order some parts. Cool, I guess. Good heavens. Okay, it's important you don't lose these. After some toiling, I was able to get the axle out. So now we can measure that up with a pair of dial calipers and a tape measure. Make sure we order the correct shaft. Probably ought to replace those bearings while we're at it. And then we can get the motor running. Okay, you got that mounted up. Got spacers in there to put the brake where it belongs. All the keys are in. I just tensioned the chain. Axle nuts are tightened down. Now we gotta see if we can get this beast running. But I don't know which way is on. I guess that way's on.
Runs perfectly.
Okay, now we can tear it all apart and make it not run.
And we're doing that. Why? You are. Where's my starting fluid? Are you going to be using that again?
Probably not. Doesn't really seem like I need it.
Give it back.
No. Air box. The help I need.
No, I can give you the help I need.
We'll hang on to this for now because we know it works. That's good. A little bit of a oopsie poopsie on the starter. Secondary clutch is hitting on the frame right there, but we can fix that.
A few moments later.
We didn't get very far. I should have brought the camera along because the primary exploded and went sparking down the road. And I had to go in the woods to find it. So no big deal. Needs a new primary. It's inside out and it exploded. And some wheel belts. Did he steal the...
No.
Thank you. So you want to make sure when you hammer on these that you use a bearing driver or a socket that's the same size as the outer race, this hardened steel on the outside. If you drive off of the inner race, you're putting all the pressure on the bearings that are in between the inner and outer race. And if you do that, you might as well get a new bearing. Normally you'd fill these hubs up with grease, but these are sealed bearings, so there's not really any point.
How long it will stay here? Never seen anything like it.
It's always been directional. Work on stuff.
Sorry. It's really dumb and dumb.
There you have it. Good as new.